So I'm going to show you how you can easily fix potholes and driveways within about a half an hour. So what you need to do first is break off any of the loose material that you have, clear that all off. And then you're going to broom out and clean off any of the debris. That makes sure it adheres to the underlayer much better. If you don't clean that off, it's not going to stick well. So make sure it's prepped well. A lot of the work is prep work. After that, it's really easy. And then pour out the Aquaphalt. Get it evened out with a shovel. You want it to rest about a ½ inch higher than whatever the surface is that you're working with. What you're going to do is add some water and basically tap it down until it's nice and flat. And then you can drive on it in about a half an hour, but it's better to let it go if you can for up to 24 hours so it fully cures. And then that's it. And then it gives you this nice surface at the end. Each bucket of Aquaphalt covers basically 5 square feet of area. So this is approximately, 15 square feet if you take it all into account at about an inch depth. It may have been just slightly above an inch in some of the areas. We put this in yesterday. As you can see, I can touch it. Nothing coming off really. And it's not getting sticky on my shoes or anything like that. So that's really good. If you use other cold patches, it would still be like a gooey tar and it would stay like that. And as you drive over, it kind of squishes out. But Aquaphalt, I'm really happy with it because it's really hard. Now it's past 24 hours, so I can seal it and, recoat the driveway and fill in any other cracks I have. So you can pick this up at Ace Hardware. You could also get it on Lowe's for special order, or I have a link below for Amazon if you want to deliver it to your door and you don't have to carry the 50 pounds. It also helps me out a little bit as well. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and have a great day.